Hey guys, in this video, I will show you Facebook how to fix you can't make this change at the moment. So if ever you launch your Facebook application and this notification pops up, well, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, or the very first thing you should do here is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. By that, you can exit your application and then go to Google Play Store if you're using Android and go to App Store if you're using iPhone, and then search for Facebook right here. And if you see an update button, like a blue update button, all you have to do is to click that one in order for you to update your Facebook application. So you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application to avoid any conflicts and errors and lags. Now, the second thing is go to your settings, phone settings. If you're using Android, scroll down and you have to look for app management here. Once you found it, click and then tap App List. And then after that, you have to look for your Facebook application. You can scroll down here and then tap Facebook or go to the search icon, type Facebook, and then click Facebook. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall it again. If you're using iPhone, click Offload Application and reinstall your Facebook application again. Now, the third method here that I'm going to show you is you need to open your Facebook application and you need to simply log out from other devices where you have logged in. So all you have to do is open or launch your Facebook application, and then this time you have to go to your profile and then click this gear icon or settings and privacy. Now tap this Embed Account Center right here. See More Account Center. Then scroll down, go to Password and Security. Here you need to scroll down and then look for where you're logged in. Make sure that you have logged out from this devices that you have logged in before. So basically, these are a few methods on how to simply fix this. You can't make this change at the moment. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.